a battery drill, hand riveter, or if you are lucky, battery operated riveter, a square drive number 2, or whatever fixing you're going to use, and a 5mm drill bit. The fixing holes will be a 10mm outside with a 5mm that's going to screw into it. You can use an 8-gauge screw on it. Square drive is your easiest one to use because it's all internal, and then you will plug it up afterwards. The reason why we're not providing fixing is we don't know if it's a wood, concrete that you're going to screw into. It will be a different type of fixing, but all the rest will be supplied. In your pack will be 2 different sides. You have to make sure that you have a left piece and a right piece. The rivet holes facing you for the inside, and that side's going to be where the slats clips in. Then you will also have a 3rd piece if it's wide enough to go in the middle of them. You will start off by installing the one side, so fixing big hole on the inside, small hole against the material that you're going to screw into. Rivet hole to the inside of the premises. So position your material where you want it, front, middle, back. Just keep in mind that your riveter needs to be able to get to the rivet points. Alright, we decide we're going to go on about a 10mm flush with the inside of the frame. So you will put your first screw in, then line it up, and put your top screw in when you are lined up, and then put all the other screws in and just plug them into the holes. You can remove them, it's a bit tricky, but you can if you take just a normal screw, pop in the top, pull them out, it will come out. Your middle one is a little bit different. You will see that the tops are the same, but the bottom is 5mm smaller. The reason for that is you're going to add a bracket, a fixing bracket to the bottom, which will slide into the groove, and that will take up the 5mm space on the bottom. Top will also have one, but there is clearance left for the top one just to screw on. Once you have that in position, you can start putting your slats in, slide them through and into the other side. You can see that I've peeled the front part of it. It's advised to peel the 2 ends off before you install them. Just grab it with your nail and pull it. So the next step is just to poke them into the opposite side. Push it in and you can fasten that side. Peel and snap off. The reason why we peel and snap off, your middle brace still needs to get to its position, but it's hard to get it off afterwards. We're now going to shift this to the center of your material, of your opening, and secure it through the 2 holes that's in the bottom, and the same for the top. Peel the rest off. 5mm drill bit. Keep it straight for you. Very static, so just try and wipe off the static part and what you've drilled on the slat, and that will give you a clear view.